Hola mi gente, it's Mariluz here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to give you a tutorial on this look that you see right here. This year, John and I don't have big plans for the holidays, which means I don't have big plans with my makeup either. So sometimes a more natural or neutral kind of makeup makes more sense into your holidays, myself included. So if you guys want to know how to achieve this makeup look, just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off by priming my face and I'm going to use one of my favorite primers. It's the Smashbox PhotoFinish primer. I'm going to apply this all over my face. Now I'm going to apply foundation and I'm going to use my Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place makeup. This one's in the shade Cashew or 3W2. And lately I've been applying my foundation with a beauty blender instead of a brush because I've been feeling my face more into the drier side. Now I'm going to move on with my eyebrows, and for eyebrows I'm just going to use my Anastasia brow wiz. I love this one. This is in the shade Ebony. If you want your eyebrows to look as natural as possible, make sure you use a spoolie to distribute the product. That way it doesn't look too heavy. Also, it's very important that you clean your eyebrows with a little bit of concealer. That way it looks the most natural possible. I like to use my normal concealer, the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this one is in the shade Light Medium Sand. And then I like to take a concealer brush and blend that in. Okay, so now I'm going to move on with concealer, and I'm going to use the same concealer I used to cover my brows to apply them under my eye and prime my lids. Now I am immediately going to set it with my RCMA No Color Powder. Now I'm going to move on with my Benefit Hoola bronzer. I'm going to apply this bronzer with a Sigma F10. It's more like a powder brush, but more fluffy brush. I'm applying this on the hollows of my cheeks and on my forehead. I always like to bronze because I feel like it just brings life and dimension to my face. So if you haven't tried bronzing, try bronzing like on the perimeter of your face and you'll see more definition and look a little bit more alive. So I actually leave like the eyes almost for the end. So I'm going to move on with blush, and I'm going to use the Too Faced Love Flush in the shade Baby Love. I like this color a lot because I believe it's like neutral and it brings a natural color to your cheeks. And now I'm going to do my eyes. So I'm going to start by taking Silk Cream on a Sigma E40 and I'm going to apply that all over my crease for my first transition shade. Now I'm going to move on with this shade right here called Puder, and I'm going to apply that on my crease as well. Now with the same brush, my Sigma E40, I'm going to take Buns, this brown right here. I'm going to apply that on the outer V of my eye, like in circle emotions. I'm not trying to be precise. I really want to blend this in. Now I'm going to move on with my Sigma E25. It's a more like dense blending brush. I'm going to take the shade Mocha, this brown right here, and with my Sigma E25 I'm going to apply that on my outer V as well. And that's it for our transition colors. Now I'm going to move on with the shimmer shadow. This one right here is called Obsessed. I'm going to be using my Sigma E55. It's a shading brush. I'm not going to cut the crease or be precise, so all I'm doing is applying that shimmer shadow onto my lid right here. And now I'm taking my Sigma E25 and blending those edges. Now for my lower lash line, I'm going to start with Puder and I'm going to put that all over my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take Mocha, this darker brown here, and apply it on the outer side of my lower lash line. Now if you want a tiny bit more of glow, I would recommend using like a shimmery blush. This one's the Too Faced Papadum Peach blush. I'm not going to use it today, but sometimes I do use it when I'm trying to do a natural look like this one. But what I wouldn't skip is my highlighter. I'm going to use the Anastasia Sundipped Glow Kit, and I'm going to use this shade Moonstone, this color right here. Now I'm going to apply with a front brush. This one is from Real Techniques, and I'm going to be very gentle. All I want is just a natural glow. Okay, so since it's the holidays, I still want to do something a little bit extra, so I'm going to use Moonstone. I'm going to take a pencil brush. I'm going to apply that highlighter right on the bridge of my nose in this spot right here. That'll give it like a really nice glow on your face. And I'm using the same highlighter to highlight my eyes, so I'm going to put that in my inner corner. To finish off the eyes, I'm going to use mascara. You can use falsies if you want to be a little bit more extra, but I actually don't like to use false lashes when I'm trying to do this natural look, so I just go ahead with a really nice coat of mascara. Okay, so the good thing about doing a really nice neutral look is that you can go ahead and use any type of lipstick that you want. You can use a red lipstick for the occasion if you like to, but I'm going to go more with a natural or neutral glossy lip just because it's my preference, especially if I know I'm going to be eating a lot. So I'm going to go ahead with a lip combo, lining my lips with the NYX lip liner in the shade Natural or Natural. And once I line my lips, I'm going to use the Marc Jacobs Lip Lacquer in the shade Taboo. Now because it's the holidays and it's like a cold season, I like to use a little bit of my setting spray. I like to use the Dura Cosmetics Slay All Day in the scent Peach or the color Peach. I'm not sure if it's my medicine or something, but lately, even though I'm oily in this season, my face is still like dry and it feels like so tight. Now here's the final look. Okay guys, so that is it for today. This is the look I wore for my Christmas party. It was a really nice, neutral, natural kind of makeup. Not everyone wants to do like a really in-your-face glam makeup for the holidays, and I understand that. This year, I was one of them too. So I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Let me know in the comment section below if you did. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And right now, there is a giveaway that is still open, and it'll still be open till December 24th. The link is in the description box below. Don't forget to enter, and good luck to everyone who's participating. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I will see you on my next video. Bye. Now for my lower lash line, I'm taking this color right here called Pooper.